Welcome to this tutorial. How to create a user-defined function in Microsoft Excel. We generally use the built-in functions of Microsoft Excel. Sometimes we want to use a different function that is not available in Excel. Do not worry, we can create a custom function for our needs. In this video, we will create a WordCount user-defined function. Let's learn how we can do it. Open an Excel workbook. Press the Ctrl+N key to open a new spreadsheet. You can open your existing Excel spreadsheet or type your text in spreadsheet rows for WordCount. Press the Alt plus F11 keys on your keyboard. This will open the Visual Basic editor. Click on the Insert menu and then click on Module from the drop-down list. Let's start creating a custom function of WordCount. Type the following code as shown in this video in the module code window. Function WordCount, open parentheses, RNG as range, close parenthesis. WordCount equals len, open parentheses, application.worksheetfunction.trim, open parentheses, RNG.value, close parentheses, minus len, open parentheses, replace, open parentheses, rng.value, comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma, quotation mark, close parentheses, +1, end function. Click on the Save Floppy Disk icon. Give a name to your file and select the file type Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook from Save as Type drop-down list, and then click on the Save button. Click on the File menu and then click on the Close and Return to Microsoft Excel option. Now, click on empty cell next to the typed text cell. Type equals WordCount and select the function as shown from the suggestion and then click on the cell for that you want to calculate the word count. Type close parentheses and click on the tick mark in the function bar. Click the right bottom corner of the used formula cell and drag it down to select the range of rows to calculate the word count. This will show you the result of word count by using the user-defined functions in Excel. Let's remove some words from this row number 4 and see the total word count has been changed. See? This wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.